are you, students? So we are doing this series in this series we were discussing the NEET answer sheet, that is for R1 paper code. Until now we have discussed the 3 questions. Now we are moving to the 4th one. So let's see. Now this is the 54th question, which is the part of the chemistry, and in which the question was given was that which compound among the following is not an aromatic? First of all, the question says that it should not be aromatic. They are not asking for the aromaticity. So now we have to see out of which is aromatic. And the first thing we should know that what do we mean by aromatic and what are the rules which define the aromatic compounds. So let's see. The first rule for an aromatic compound is that it should follow the Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule, which is that we should have 4 pi plus 4n plus 2 pi electrons. And where n is an integer. Second, it should follow that it should be a planar structure. There should not be any other structure. We cannot have tetrahedral or we cannot have octahedral structures. They are not planar. In the planar structure, we required like a trigonal planar structure or the normal planar structures. Planar structure. Third thing, it should have a cyclic structure. And the fourth thing, it should be a conjugate system, means that there is a proper resonance in the movement. Resonance, or we can say a conjugate system. A conjugate system. So let's see one by one which of the following is aromatic and which is not aromatic. So if I'll go with the first option. So the first option which is given to me was this one. In this case, if I'll see that they have 3 pi bonds, so this means 3 into 2, that is 6 pi electrons. And now, if I check with the first, that is Huckel's rules, that is 4 into 1 plus 2 is equals to 6 pi electrons. So it is following the first rule. Now let's go with the second one. It should be the planar structure. If I see with this carbon is sp3 hybridized. So this means that this carbon is not having a planar structure. This is tetrahedral in shape. Tetrahedral in shape. So therefore, this is not planar. Hence, this is non-aromatic compound. Non-aromatic compound. So answer for our question is the first one. Now let's check the other options also, whether they are aromatic or not. So in this case, if I'll see the second one, in this, there are 2 bonds and 1 negative sign. 1 negative sign is indicating that you have 2 electrons. So technically it has 6 pi electrons. All the systems are sp2 hybridized. So they are planar also. Then they are cyclic because it is a closed structure and there is a complete resonance also. So we can see it here that it is showing the complete resonance as well. Now, if we'll go with the third option, in that case, we'll check the plus sign is showing that electron has been lost. So there are only 3 pi bonds. So this means that they have 6 pi electrons. It is a cyclic. All are sp2 hybridized, so they are planar also. And let's check for the resonance. So in the case of resonance, they are moving like this. So there is a complete movement in the resonance. And the fourth one also, so there are 2 pi electrons because there is only 1 double bond. And in that case, we'll see the plus charge means that electron is lost. And if I put the value of n is equals to 0 in the Huckel's rule, then I'll get the 2 pi electrons only. So it is following the Huckel's rule. It is a planar structure because all the carbons are sp2 hybridized, and it is cyclic and showing the complete resonance as well. So for the answer for 54 is first one, because this carbon is sp3 hybridized, which is a non-planar structure, and it is not involved in the resonance. Thank you for watching the series and stay continued for more answers.